Built in collaboration with Henderson Precision, the MatchMaster trimmer makes brass prep easy, fast, and extremely consistent. Let's get started.
Made to perform. Built to last. For the shooter who refuses to compromise. This isn't just reloading. This is MatchMaster.
Inside the box, you'll find the carriage and bearing housing assembly with cutter head and MatchMaster micrometer installed. The motor mount, motor with standoff plate, belt and spindle pulley, cutter containment guard, base plate, bin bracket, case bin, parts bags, a hex wrench, and a spare belt. A number 1 collet has already been installed in your handle. This number 1 collet fits 223 Remington, 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and many more cartridges. Additional pilots, collets, and cutter heads are available from RCBS. Start by installing the bin bracket onto the trimmer base plate. Align the bracket with the outward flange and secure it using 2 8x32 by 1/2 inch button head screws and nuts. Next, attach the carriage and bearing housing assembly to the base plate using 2 1/4 by 28 by 1 1/4 inch socket head screws and flange nuts. Keep everything hand tight at first, then secure it once properly aligned. Then, mount your base plate with trimmer either directly to your reloading bench or to an RCBS accessory base plate. Now, install the motor mount onto the bearing housing using 3 10x32 by 1/2 inch button head screws. Tighten them using a 1/8 inch hex key. Install the spindle pulley by placing the belt over the spindle pulley. Then, slide both onto the cutter shaft with the flat side of the pulley facing the bearing housing. Once fully seated, tighten the set screw to secure the pulley. Install your motor to your motor mount by slipping the exposed end of the belt over the motor pulley. Install 2 of the 1032 screws through the mount into the motor standoff plate. Slide the motor upward to tension the belt. You want the screws in about the top third of the slots. Once your belt tension feels right, tighten the screws and lock the motor into place. Install the brass containment guard over the cutter head using the 3 10x32 by 3/8 inch screws. This guard should be installed anytime the unit is operating. It's easy to remove when you need to clean out any brass shavings. Finally, attach the cartridge case bin onto the bracket. With that, the MatchMaster assembly is complete. Now that your new trimmer is all set up, in our next video, we'll walk you through the details of how to use it. Stay tuned for additional videos on our MatchMaster trimmer, including a deep dive on how to adjust your cutter head's blades. If you have any questions during assembly, reach out to our RCBS customer service. We're always here to help at rcbs.com.